trading on KuCoin. And once you open your KuCoin app, ensure that you verified your email and verified your phone number when you were creating your account. So because when you log in, you need to get a verification through your phone number, through which you confirm your access. After which you go to your profile and you set a trading password which will protect you during trading so that you don't mistakenly input what is not what you want. Then you set your payment method. Under your payment method, you add your bank. I've added mine already. I want to add an extra bank. I'm using my OP. So you put in your account name and your account number, your trading password to confirm the process. You can turn on or turn off any account. You can add more than one. I'm adding another bank account, which is not OP, a normal bank. Full name, account name. Put in your bank account number and your bank. You don't need to put in branch. Verify it and continue. Now, the first thing to do before trading is to deposit. So click on deposit. I'm clicking on USDT because that is going to be my major coin for sale. I prefer to use my TRC20 wallet for USDT in order to ensure that I pay a lesser gas fee. So I'm going to my Binance. That's where I'm sending $12 USDT. I'm withdrawing it into my KuCoin wallet. I had already added my KuCoin wallet before now. So choose the network and confirm the transfer. $1 is the transaction fee, so $11 is coming in. I've submitted the transaction. Now I'm back to my KuCoin app. It says I have received 11.36 USDT, but I'm yet to see it reflecting on the balance because this balance showing here, observe how it will change from 7,300 to 12,000. In order to trade spot trading, you need to transfer the money from the main wallet into the trading wallet. Whenever you deposit, the money is going to the coin will enter your main account. So I'm transferring it into my, click on transferring it into my trading account. You see how the trading account has become 100%. The USDT has entered into it. There is no gas fee for doing that. So I want to trade AOA USDT. I want to trade AOA, which is a coin I already had in the wallet. This is spot trading. I've placed it on limit order and I'm putting in my preferred price, which is higher than the current market price. I put in the quantity of AOA, which is 100% of everything I have. And then I verify and the order is placed. Now this order is not yet filled. That's why you see it writing 0. Once it gets to that price and it fills, it will purchase. Now to trade P2P, you need to move your money from trading wallet into main account back, which is what I've done here, just as if you are depositing afresh. From your main account, you can see that the money did not reduce from what you sent because there is no gas fee for sending between your accounts. I've sent it back to the trading account again, and now we have $28 in the trading account, which means that order has been filled. That coin has been sold at a higher price. So I want to search for what I'm going to trade again. Searching under trading, I'm searching for AOA again. I want to continue trading AOA, so I'm buying AOA. But before I know where I want to buy from, at what entry price I want to use, I need to study the chart. And on this chart, I can see that the support is 0.50, 270. So I'm deciding to use 250, which is 250 pips lower than the market price, 250 pips lower than the market price. I'm making use of 50% of my USDT for this purchase. I've placed the order buy. I will need to confirm with my trading password, after which the order comes open here. This is the spot trading. Remember, we've done the selling, this is buying. If I wanted to sell again, if this buying order has filled up, I will just click on sell, put the price I want to sell at. Remember, on spot trading, you buy at a low price with the expectation to sell at a higher price. So I bought at 50-50. If I'm going to be selling, I need to be selling at 50-500, which is what I hope to sell at. The next is to trade P2P. In P2P, you need to look at how much you want to sell and compare it to the limit range of the seller. If you were buying to, you look at how much you want to buy and compare to the limit range of the buyer. And to trade P2P, as I said earlier, you need to move your coin from your trading account to your main account. So I have moved to the coin and I decide I want to sell all of my coin. I chose Royal Exchange because its limit range is between, it covers my quantity of coin, which is 7,800 naira. I'm placing the trade to sell. Always read the terms and conditions of the seller. It says he charges 100 naira. So I need to inform him that I am ready to proceed. The reason why you need to chat the person is to know that the person is online. And also make sure you do P2P only during the day. Don't do it in the midnight, because some of the sellers or the buyers might be asleep. And if you do that, you might not be able to get the transaction closed. P2P is highly risky. So I would actually prefer you trade with any vendor you trust and you know. Most of my friends trade with me directly. So I've entered the trade, I'm checking my account, waiting for the buyer to send the money. And I'll be checking the account from time to time to confirm if the funds have entered. The buyer says he has paid, so I'm checking, I haven't seen the money. Okay, I refreshed and now I've seen the money, but it's not on my ledger balance. In order to know the money is real and it cannot be reversed, transfer it out of that account into another account immediately. By doing so, if there is going to be any reversal, it will be impossible. So since it has successfully transferred, I will now go back to release the crypto. Remember, I did not release it until I have confirmed that the money is real. So release the crypto. If it were on Binance, it will ask you for verification code, but here it's asking me for trading password, and I have confirmed the trading password, and that is the end of the trade.